Welcome to Veterans Park in Hamilton Township, New Jersey. Very flooded when we visited, so we didn't get to see a fraction of what this place has to offer, as this 333-acre park is ginormous. And other than being a park honoring the veterans of the town as well as local victims and first responders of 9/11, it also hosts athletic events, concerts, reenactments, festivals, and firework displays. In addition to the huge sports complexes and fields, there are also vast picnic areas, open multi-use fields, and it's all centered around a lake. There are walking paths for days, fountains and benches dotted throughout, and then there's the statues and war vehicles at the entrances, and there are many, each with a parking lot. They also have a playground, a dog park, pavilions, skating rinks, electric vehicle charging stations, an outdoor special needs exercise complex, and museums. It's also popular with birders since the lake, woodlands, and fields attract birds and other wildlife. See the links below for the Township's park page, which has information on each entrance's amenities, the New Jersey Trail Association guide to the expansive trail system, the Township's birds and wildlife information page, and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.